Are you looking for the top 5 woodworking tools under $20? If you're tired of overspending on woodworking tools that just don't meet your needs, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, TovePod Micro Sander. Let's kick things off with the TovePod 54 pieces premium micro sander, priced at just $6.99. What caught my attention was the sheer variety in this kit. It includes a compact sanding block and 54 sandpapers and 9 grit types. If you want precise detail sanding without the frustration of uneven surfaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The all-in-one sanding kit lets you tackle everything from fine finishing to heavy sanding, making it perfect for intricate projects or tight spaces. With grits ranging from 80 to 800, you can go from rough shaping to ultra-smooth finishes, all without needing multiple tools. Plus, the quick swap hook and loop backing means you can switch out sandpapers in seconds, saving you time and hassle. In fact, over 6,000 of these kits were bought in the last month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the sandpaper wearing out quickly. Here's the thing though, for the price, you can easily buy additional sandpaper and still come out ahead. This isn't a deal breaker, especially if you're someone who loves DIY and needs a variety of grits. This is perfect for you if you enjoy detailed woodworking projects or need to smooth out tricky surfaces. Skip this one if you only need a heavy-duty sander for larger jobs. At under $7.
Product number 2, Rui Tool Japanese Handsaw. Next up is the Rui Tool Japanese Handsaw, available for $11.98. This little gem caught my eye because it's designed for precision cuts, and with its double-edged blade, it's incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a reliable handsaw that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The 6-inch blade is the perfect size for flush cuts, making it easy to maneuver for both hardwood and softwood. It features a flexible SK5 high-carbon steel blade that's hardened to a high level, ensuring durability and sharpness. The 2 different teeth per side, 14 TPI for softer wood and 17 TPI for harder wood, mean you can efficiently tackle a variety of projects. What's impressive is that over 4,000 of these saws have been sold in the past month, and it's clear why. Now, some users mentioned that the saw can feel a bit flimsy during heavy use. But here's the deal, this saw excels in precision work, so if you're not forcing it through tough jobs, it's going to perform beautifully. It's lightweight and very comfortable to use, which is crucial when you're working on detailed projects. This is perfect for you if you're a woodworker who values accuracy and control in your cuts. Skip this one if you typically work on larger, heavy-duty wood projects. At under $12, it offers fantastic value for a quality handsaw. Product number 3, Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer. Coming in at $7.99, the Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer is a small but mighty tool that I think deserves your attention. I was immediately impressed by its ergonomic design and the durability of the stainless steel blade. If you want to achieve clean, professional edges on your woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. This edge banding cutter features a thicker blade and larger cutting edges, which means smoother and more precise trimming. It works efficiently with materials like plywood, laminate, and ABS, making it incredibly versatile for a range of projects. The double-sided blades are a nice touch because they double the lifespan of the tool. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold recently, it's clearly resonating with DIY enthusiasts. Some users did mention that it can be tricky to use on very curved edges, but here's the thing. If you're mostly working with straight edges or slightly curved surfaces, this tool will save you a lot of time and frustration. It's safe and comfortable to use, which really matters when you're focusing on precision. This is perfect for you if you're into furniture making or cabinetry and need a reliable edge trimmer. Skip this if you primarily work with very intricate curves. At under $8, it's a fantastic investment. Product number 4, Hurricane Wood Chisel Set. Next up is the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set, priced at $13.99. This caught my eye because it includes a range of sizes, making it great for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. If you want a chisel set that delivers precision and versatility without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. The blades are made from high-quality CRV steel, ensuring they stay sharp and resilient for a long time. The beveled edge design allows for clean cuts and is perfect for a variety of wood types.
Whether you're making fine details or cutting mortises, these chisels are up to the task. With thousands sold last month alone, it's clear that many are finding value here. However, some reviewers have pointed out that the chisels might require frequent sharpening. But here's my take. For the price, it's a small trade-off for a set that offers such quality and versatility. Plus, learning to sharpen your tools is a valuable skill for any woodworker. This is perfect for you if you're starting out with woodworking, or if you need some reliable tools for everyday DIY projects. Skip this if you only want high-end chisels for professional work. At under $14, it's an
Product number 5, Milescraft GlueMate. Finally, we have the Milescraft GlueMate, which is priced at a budget-friendly $5.69. I was intrigued by its precision design and the fact that it addresses the common hassle of messy glue application. If you want to streamline your woodworking projects and avoid waste, this is definitely worth a look. This glue bottle holds 15 ounces of your favorite wood glue and features a double chamber design that allows for easy dispensing. The anti-drip tip is a standout feature, keeping your workspace clean and glue fresh. It even comes with 2 specialized tips for different tasks, which makes it versatile for various projects. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's clear that many woodworkers appreciate its practicality. Some users have expressed concerns about the durability of the plastic, but honestly, if you handle it with care, it holds up pretty well for regular use. It's designed for convenience, and for the price, it's hard to complain about a tool that saves you time and mess. This is perfect for you if you regularly work with wood glue and want a mess-free solution. Skip this if you prefer larger glue containers for big projects. At under $6, it's a fantastic buy for anyone looking to improve their glue application. So, to wrap it up,
We've covered 5 great woodworking tools under $20, each bringing something special to the table. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Root Tool Japanese handsaw because it offers precision and flexibility for a variety of cuts. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Tovpade micro sander if you need something that lasts longer without replacement parts. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.